Is your period coming too early, too late, or sometimes not at all? Many women think irregular periods are just a minor issue, something to ignore. But in reality, your menstrual cycle is the most important indicator of your reproductive health. If it is irregular, your body is trying to tell you something. You must try to listen to it. Hi, I'm Dr. Suwajla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. To begin with, what are irregular periods? A normal menstrual cycle usually ranges between 21 to 35 days. Irregular periods mean that the cycles are shorter than 21 days or longer than 35 days, or if you're missing your periods or unpredictable timings from month to month. In many cases, irregular periods indicate that ovulation is not happening regularly, which can directly affect fertility. Let's try to understand the causes. The possible causes could be hormonal imbalance, where disruption in hormones can be the cause, because these hormones control your menstrual cycle that affect ovulation. PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome is one of the most common causes that can lead to irregular or absent ovulation. Thyroid disorders, both high and low thyroid levels, can disturb menstrual cycles. Chronic stress, poor sleep, or exercise can also affect hormonal signals. Both obesity and being underweight can disrupt hormonal imbalance, leading to irregular periods. In some women, ovarian function declines earlier than expected, which is called as ovarian insufficiency. That can also cause irregular periods. Fibroids or polyps can also affect bleeding patterns, and these are the uterine causes of irregular periods. So irregular periods are not just a single problem. They are a complicated symptom of multiple possible conditions. Therefore, diagnosis becomes very important. Proper evaluation is essential and should not be delayed. Common tests include ultrasonography to assess your ovaries and uterus. Hormone tests are performed to understand what your FSH, LH, thyroid and prolactin levels are. Blood sugar and metabolic tests are done to rule out PCOS. Tracking your menstrual cycle is also important because it provides valuable information. The goal is not just to see your period, but to understand whether ovulation is happening normally at all. Treatment options are lifestyle correction, most importantly, weight management, exercise, stress reduction, proper sleep, hormonal therapy, including medications to regularize your cycles and to induce ovulation, can also help. Treating underlying conditions like thyroid, diabetes, or PCOS can also help. Fertility-focused treatments are important when you're trying to look for pregnancy. Ovulation induction or assisted reproductive techniques must be used when you're trying to get pregnant, because the key target is treatment and not just temporary cycle regulation. So if your periods are irregular, do not ignore them. Your cycle is not just about bleeding, it reflects your hormonal and reproductive health. Early evaluation can prevent long-term complications and improve fertility outcomes. If you wish to know more, please feel free to contact us.